Kemcho, it's your boy Jerry Script. I'm back again. So today we're doing bearing change on our wheel on our R15 version 2. Let me teach you how to change a bearing on the front wheel, let's say. So what we do is first we remove the tire from the bike so that we're able to see the bearing, so that we're able to remove the old bearing. So the tire, we removed the tire there, we're now removing the old bearing by you see what he's doing. We're removing the old bearing. It was really damaged. That old bearing is there, that one which is down there. And then when you remove the old bearing, what's left is to put new bearing. Changing the bearing is very important so that you maintain a balance on the wheel whenever you're riding. If for long ride, even for short rides, the wheel will be having stability. Even the steering, you will be able to leave it and just ride without holding the steering. That's very important for a rider. So now the bearing was damaged, it was now making very bad noise, so I had to change the bearing. It's very easy to change, so that's why I'm taking the video, and that's my friend Kautambai is the one who helps me to do this. So now we're putting the new bearing. Look at how it is. It's now looking perfect and fine. What's left is to put back the wheel, is to put back the tire, so that we can rock, so that we can plan another trip, so that we can plan another vlog for the trips. So now my guy was now trying to put back the bearing, and it was now perfect and fine. It's now time for us to put back the wheel. Do look at this. So what I'm saying is you should be able to know how to remove the tire by yourself of your bike. You should be able to know how to do this by yourself, so that even if you are riding the bike wherever you are, if you are in forest, if you are very far, you can do this. That's why we advise people to carry some tools. I will do a video where I will show you tools that you need, necessary tools that you need when you're traveling, when you are doing anything with a bike or a scooter. There are some tools that are important that you need to carry, so that everything on the way, it will be easy for you. If there is, in case of an emergency, everything will be fine for you, so you don't have any complication while traveling. So now we are putting back our wheel. Look at what we'll do. First, we put it in the correct position. That's the very important thing, because once you put your tire in a wrong position, everything is going to be in balance. There is going to be an imbalance. There's going to be a massive vibration of the bike. So you need to put the tire in a correct position, and also so that whenever you put the brakes back, they will align with the walls, they will align with the balls where you have to put the nuts. So this is us where we are trying to align the tire, the wheel. It was a little bit complicated, because you know how these people from Yamaha, how they make it complicated for us to put it back. So we did it, and it was nice. I have my guy, is also professional. He knows how to do these things, and also me, I also know how to do these things. So we were just helping each other. We were telling each other what to do. You see, this is the tire. So what I'm saying is also you should know the model of a bike, how everything you can do in case of emergency. There's some things that you can do by yourself, some small things like changing the tire, like removing this tire, also something like adjusting the brakes. You see, now we're putting back the brakes. So when putting back the brakes, we should be cautious, because also these brakes, we need to use them for highway, for everywhere, for traffic. So we need to be cautious. We need to put them correct way they were. So we need to be perfect in this. So we're now doing it slowly, so that we know that we're doing it right. So we're putting the balls now, we're putting back everything. It was simple for us, because we know, because we experience everything. Let's check how we were putting back the balls. You can see the bike is perfect. The bike is looking perfect now. So this one is a video I'm showing you of how it was looking like before, without these brakes, when we were trying to remove the bike, and you saw that after it's now looking good, it's now stable. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, to like and share and comment this video.